Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through dock maintenance for the Eureka J15 Ultra. The J15 Ultra is linked in the video description, so be sure to check it out there. We'll start with the very top. We have our clean and dirty water tanks. So make sure after every clean, you want to empty and clean the dirty water tank to prevent any nasty odor buildup. And every once in a while, not a bad idea to also just thoroughly clean your clean water tank. With those removed, you can wipe down in here occasionally if you ever want to just keep that clean and tidy, and check these 3 spots for any debris, buildup, clogs, or anything like that. And then all the other maintenance happens at the front of the unit. First, we have our cover that we can remove to get access to the dust bag. So when the dust bag is full and it's time to change, just pull the old one out, dispose of it. You can clean in here, use some compressed air if you want. You can also make sure there's no debris built up in the channel here. You can just use your finger to reach down in there to feel for any clogs. Then you can take your new vacuum bag and you can install it right back in place. And then down here we have where all the magic happens, where it washes, cleans, empties, and dries itself. So make sure the charging contacts are free from any obstructions or any buildup there. You also have a removable tray that's very easy to wash and clean. This tray actually comes apart in 2 sections. So if you have any like hair built up on here, grass clippings, some of that larger debris that won't get out of the way there from the tray when it's washing and cleaning itself, you can basically remove this filter and easily clean that as well. So rinse this off, empty out any contents into the trash that might be accumulating there. Simple, straightforward. You can wipe down in here. Obviously this ramp can be removed if you needed to rinse this off. But simple and straightforward to clean and maintain your Eureka J15 Ultra dock.